Hello kids! Today in this video we'll learn alphabets A, B, C both in capital letter and small letter. Along with it, we'll learn words starting with these letters A, B and C. So let's get started. So first I'll take red color to write the first letter, that is A. A. Capital letter A. A for apple. A for apple. A. Small letter A. A for apple. A for apple. Let's color it. Okay, so A for apple. Let's take green color. This green color to color the leaf of this apple. So this is green color. Okay, and this is red color. So A for apple. Let's take yellow color. This is yellow color to write the letter B. Capital letter B. B. B for banana. B for banana. B. Small letter B. This is small letter B. B for banana. B for banana. Let's color it. Okay. B for banana. And this one is yellow color. Next I'll take blue color. This is blue color to write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. C. This is small letter C. C for cat. Let's color it. So this is cat. C for cat. C for cat. So as we have completed our alphabets A, B, C both in capital letters and small letters and the words starting with these letters. I hope you have learned this, and if you do, don't forget to hit thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.